One of the new exciting features in version 6.2 of Sage ERP-X3 is the new sales signature management workflows that have been included. The sales signature management workflows work exactly the same way as our existing functionality on the purchases side. So we already have signature management in terms of entering purchase orders, and we've copied that now on the sales cycle. So signature management on the sales side allows for you to create signature notifications and have users assigned to provide signature approvals on particular sales documents, specifically quotes and orders. And there are a few simple steps that need to be followed in order to turn this feature on and work with this feature in version 6.2. The first step is to make sure that your parameter settings, your general parameter settings, are defined to work with the signature workflows. And the second thing is to make sure that the workflow rules have been defined appropriately for your specific needs. And then you'd need to assign users to that particular workflow so that you can identify who has the approval authority and who has the signature authority for the sales cycle. Once you do that, you're ready to start working with signature management on the sales side. So let's take a look at the sales signature management functionality in Sage ERP-X3 version 6.2 now. As mentioned, the first step is to verify that your parameters have been successfully defined. And the first thing to take a look at is under General Parameters, Parameter Values. For our sales tasks, we now have new parameter definitions for signatures. And you can see here one of the parameter value groups that we have defined relates to signatures here. So I can go into the details of that particular parameter value group, and you can see here that we have the ability to define parameter values for signature management on open orders, and on quotes, as well as some additional parameter values for the way signatures work for cancellations and things like that. Your options when you're defining whether to use signature management or not are no, meaning we won't be using signature management, yes, but optionally, meaning that if signature functionality exists, we can use it, but it won't necessarily stop us from proceeding with fulfilling that particular sales order. And yes, mandatory means that we cannot continue with processing an order until that order has been signed. So that's the first thing to do, making sure that your parameters, your general parameters, have been defined so that we can use signature management. And the second thing is, of course, making sure that the workflows are functioning to suit your particular needs. Now, we have out-of-the-box workflows that exist, just like we do on the purchasing side. Under Workflow Rules, we have new workflows that are available